Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's bank holiday, Good Friday, Newcastle Upon Tyne. I figured we've probably got a couple of hours before town starts getting crazy and everybody starts coming in for a drink and that. So we're doing some urban / street photography today, POV. I've got the action cam on my chest, as you can tell from the video footage here, and I'm continuing my testing of the Sony Kit Lens. It's a 28-70mm. I think I've mentioned this in a video before, but I picked the Kit Lens up when I bought the A7IV just to test the focal length out and see if it was worth me investing in a more premium version of a 28-70 zoom later down the line. Having shot in Newcastle hundreds of times, I'm going to avoid the main spots you'd probably head to if you were taking photos in the city and go for something a bit more different, a lot more urban, gritty. We're talking lots of graffiti, and then I'm going to supplement that by shooting and editing a type of old filmic style. That being said, as I walk over to those areas where I feel that this kind of style is going to work really well, I have got to walk through some of the more popular spots to get there. So I'm going to take a few warm-up shots as we go, just to, you know, get that eye working a little bit, and we'll see what we get on the way over there. But I'm looking forward to trying out these sort of urban shots with more filmic edits. A nice thing that I've sort of realized since I restarted dabbling in street photography, city photography, whatever you want to call it, I realized how much it makes you feel connected to humanity, to culture. Even though I'm out there alone with my camera on the streets, it feels like you're being a part of something, like a bigger story. I've used landscape and nature photography as an escape for so long, a place to run away and find a peace and avoid social interaction, that I forgot how special it feels to walk around a city and hear the sounds, watch events unfold, feel the buzz of people just living their daily lives. Shot. Got any other jacket? For some reason at this point I decided to go wandering off into a car park, which probably wasn't the best use of time when I was only shooting for a couple of hours, but run the clip anyways.
just missed it. I got the dog though, that's kind of funny.
Shortly after these random snaps, I drained the battery on my action cam and I haven't yet picked up a spare, so the remaining shots from the session I'll show on screen. These were all taken in the sort of last little segment of the circular route I was walking back to the car anyway. I'm not sure I took any particular images on this day that had me super excited, but I'm all for showing the process, good and bad, and if you know me, you know I'm fond of photo sets, and I think I definitely got a few nice sets here that would look good presented together. I really like this one here, even though it's just a parked car. The angle of it looks kind of mad to say it wasn't from a drone or anything like that. This one right here is pretty funny as well, with the girl running to catch up with the taxi. At least I think that's what's going on. Impeccable timing from me, by the way. This was the final shot I took of the day. Pretty cool angle again. One of those money delivery people just doing his rounds, going about his daily life. I think I'm coming to a conclusion of whether the 28-70 focal range is the one for me, but for now that's going to do it from me in this one. Drop a comment if you enjoyed, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.